Hey, hey, welcome to text training number 2. In this video, I just want to go over some apps that will really support you as you get your business going and things that will just simplify life. So the picture that was attached to this text is a visual of what each of those apps look like. So if you search for them, you can see what the name is and what they look like, and you'll know you've got the right one. But let me just go over really quickly what they are. First of all, number 1 is the My Customers app. I love this app because I'm able to access all of my customers and their information, anything they've ever ordered from me, on my phone. And so no matter where I am, if they have a question or, oh, now I need to send something to them, I've got it right there in my phone. I can also process all my orders at parties and facials through that same app, so you don't have to do paperwork. And you can access the catalog through it as well, to where you can see what a product costs, or if somebody has a question, you can pull it up right on your phone. So the My Customers Plus app is amazing. It's like our business right there. So you're definitely going to want that. The second one, let me double check and make sure I'm seeing it right, is the Great Start app. And that one is for only new beauty consultants, and it basically takes all of the training that you want and the different like MK University and Color Confident and Skincare Confident. It takes all those different training modules and puts it in one app for you, as well as helping you track where you're at towards earning those bundles, how many bundles you've got and how much time you have left and where you're at in that process. So it is super helpful, and I highly recommend grabbing that app. And until you've gone through all the material on the Great Start app, you don't even have to worry about all the wealth of stuff that's on Mary Kay in Touch. It pulls out the most important stuff that's going to equip you the best. So that's the second thing. The third app that you'll see there is the Facial Scan app. So it's called Skin Sight, and it's a way that you can do a scan of your customer's face, and it will pull up customized recommendations based on her skin tone and texture, any wrinkles and different things that are popping up. It's amazing. It's a huge value that we bring to our clients, and women love learning about that. So that's the third app that you want to check out. The fourth app is for taking credit cards, and it's free. So we have some programs that Mary Kay allows us for charging credit cards, and those are very handy. But for having an extra app, Venmo is the way to go, because you can take money from anyone and it's free, and then you can transfer it right into your bank within like a day. So Venmo is what I love to use when I'm just working with customers out and about. The fifth one is Wunderlist. And Wunderlist is an online to-do list. And so I love to, when something comes to my brain, oh, I need to do that, I just put it in the app. Or, that would be a fun idea, but I don't have time to actually think about it at the moment, I put it in the app. And then you can set due dates. So for instance, there's things in your business you have to remember to register for or send out or follow up on. You can just put it right into that app, and it will notify you by email and on your phone. So I love Wunderlist. It is wonderful. And then the last one is Canva. And I love Canva for making invitations or anything that I need to kind of put together with words or pictures to send out for an open house or a thank you card, things that I'm going to send through my phone. Canva's wonderful, and it is free. There's certain elements you can pay for, but you can get it basic and free, and you can use it on your computer and on your phone. And so I love that app. So those 6 are the first ones that I would recommend that you start with, that are going to support you the most and simplify your life and keep all of this stuff flowing for you, okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and I will be talking to you soon.